The DPG-XR series temperature gauge's max temperature capture function is used to store and display the peak temperature measured during or after a run. Once the gauge is powered on, we are ready to begin the procedure. In this example, the DPG-XR is connected to two thermocouples measuring the temperature of a liquid. Begin by placing the gauge into the max temperature capture mode. This is accomplished by pressing the right arrow key once. The blue max LED will illuminate, signifying that the gauge is now in the max temperature capture mode. In this mode, instead of displaying the current liquid temperature, the gauge will now display the peak temperature stored in the microprocessor's memory, which in this example is 100 degrees for both channels. As the liquid temperature increases, notice that after passing the peak value of 100 degrees, the gauge now tracks the temperature value as it increases to 125 degrees. As the temperature value decreases back down to 100 degrees, the gauge display retains the max temperature value of 125 degrees. The max temperature value will remain on the gauge's display until the max value memory is cleared. To clear the max value memory, press and hold the up arrow key for 4 seconds. To return the gauge to the normal operating mode, press the right arrow key once and the blue max LED will extinguish. For more information, please visit our website, thesensorconnection.com, to download a copy of the DPG-XR Digital Temperature Gauges User Manual and Quick Start Guide. The Sensor Connection, performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.